Hello guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to enable double tap to lock on iPhone. Most Android phone has this feature where you can double tap the screen and it will lock the phone. If you want to enable this, you have to make use of the back tap on iPhone. So to enable double tap to lock on iPhone, here's what you have to do. Open your settings and go to accessibility. Navigate to touch. Scroll down and click on back tap. Now click on double tap and select lock screen. Now you need to double tap at the back of your phone and your screen is going to lock. So that's how you enable double tap to lock on iPhone. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.